All right, so good morning. We're up here at the Bluffs. We're probably about a quarter of a mile down a trail from the parking lot, and we're on top of these spectacular rock faces here. It's a really nice, brisk morning. Sunrise didn't quite do what we wanted it to do, but it was real nice getting out with a couple of different people today. And it's always nice to learn some new things, pick up some tips, and just be around people that are like-minded and dig getting up at the crack of dawn. Come out and shoot landscapes. So this is completely unexpected, but we're learning how to do portrait shoots on a landscape outing. So this should be quite educational for everybody watching. I'm trying to get a nice vantage point of the waterfalls that are coming up here. Probably going to use an ND4 just so I can get a slower shutter speed. And yeah, I'm just trying to get my tripod out here into the water so I can kind of shoot around these branches. Okay, so I think I got my composition. I'm really digging the birch trees that are sticking up and kind of framing the waterfall a little bit. It's nice and dark, moody. It has some nice flowy waterfall. I'm hoping to get some nice crisp birch bark kind of in the shot. So I'm around 120 as far as my lens length. I had to put two ND filters on, so I got an ND8 and an ND4. You can see I'm at about 1.3 seconds. And yeah, nice little focusing trick here is to, I want to get this guy right here. So if we zoom in, and really focus on that there. And we'll put our timer on. It's a little janky here. I got my tripod half in the water, half on the bank here, so that's gonna be it. Here's my shot. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna take a couple more variations of this, but all in all, it's a very pretty little spot here once you can find it. And yeah, it's a nice day out. I'm always feeling really centered when I get just the sound of all this rushing water. I think that's a big reason why I love getting up super early to come out and drive to these places. And yeah, it's kind of neat too. We got some company today as well. So we got Blair, who's gone out with many times in the last year, and we got Dee Howe up the river, and Randy is out here today too. So yeah, just It's a really awesome mindset to be in the company of like-minded individuals. Alright, so that's going to do it for us today. Had a blast out here with Brandy and Dehow and Blair. Some nice synergy. It's always a lot of fun when you're out with like-minded individuals. That's it for today. We'll see you next time.